door panel's next. Let's take it off. Out of Outlander Sport. 2 screws. Thinner one, longer one is up top. Top meaning this one. This little door is hidden. Use this little screwdriver to go right between the crack and pull this guy out. Pull the handle out of your way. And the back in. There you go. See how the handle comes back out of your way? Now this one I have to find, because this one, no joke, popped out and I swear it flew over my head and I have no where it is. I have to go find it somewhere in this wet area filled with, I have no idea. I'll find it. That's where the other screw is. Put this all down. This has to pop out. This you can use your hand. There's only one right here. No, would I pop this guy out? I guess you could. I left him hang. But to pull the door panel actually off, there's a lip under here. You always got to grab from the bottom. You can feel it. And that's where you grab from. And just keep pulling. Pull all the way around. And then you're going to come upward. Up towards you. And you see? It falls off. Now these puppies pull out. And it would have been nice if they actually had this whole thing pop out. But since it's so cold out today, let me use both hands so I don't break it. So you see how these pop out of the hinge? And this little socket thing? I guess you could pull the screw out. Let's see if that works. So yes, you can pull this one screw out and the whole handle will come out. This goes into here. And then these guys unplug. And my hands are really cold because it's really cold out in middle of April. This is a squeeze, that's a squeeze because my hands are frozen. And there's your door panel. And that's just squeeze I'm talking about. And if your fingers are really cold, it's a tough time. And my fingers are really cold. And of course, since the door panel's out of the way, 310 mils. And that was a bless you. You gotta squeeze this guy. Okay, so let's see if this is the right way of doing it. Yes, because the wire is still attached. Alright, so definitely looks like there's a clip. Let's make sure things are coming out. So this little nub keeps it from falling out of the car. And since I have the wire still attached, you were good. You see? It snaps it into place. Come on, puppy. There you go. You see? Then you put the screws back, like you found it. And there's your clip. So I'll try to get a link for the description. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.